Okay, the baby's sleeping, so I'm gonna do my nails. We have a boat day tomorrow, so I absolutely have to do my nails. These are like over 4 weeks old. What I'm thinking about doing, I'm gonna go back to my Cajun Shrimp by OPI. I'm gonna do a peach aura effect in the middle. I'm gonna do chrome over it, and then I'm gonna do like some water 3D effects on it. I'm actually so excited, so let's see how they turn out. So mad.
That's how we're in for.
So
What am I talking about? Hydrator.
like you always have to hydrate her.
Me and Alexa make them.
Hey, I never forget that July.
It's okay. So I kind of like go with it.
And I shoot it on time. Shit bigger, he did the shit, but he still might come home and then it's so frivolous. I had that the money. If a bonus, I want
It's a light.
Do you like that? Yes or no?
Yes.
What?
Well, you don't.
Oh my god, I love this one.
That's a thing of shit. Clean?
Yeah. I use hand.
That's a stop. How do you do the? Did you put?